I have a 2016 Kia Sedona. I have about 57,000 miles on it. My engine light came on the other day. Ran the code and it came up as a P0441, which is an EVAP purge valve, the instruction of the purge valve, which is this little piece right here. It's only about 23 bucks on Amazon. The van runs just fine, even though the light's on. It says this thing isn't working. I called the dealership. They said sometimes if you fill your tank up all the way and top it off, it can get a little sludge up in this guy and cause it to malfunction. I also read that Kias and Hyundais, same makers, are notorious for this part going out. Like I said, the van only has 57,000 miles. Fortunately, I can fix it myself, and it's only 23 bucks on Amazon. Down here you'll see I already removed it from both hoses, electrical clip, and there's a brace. The brace was a little hard to get off. I put some WD-40 on it, let it sit for 30 seconds, and slipped right off. Okay. This is the new one. We're just going to put it on the same way. Okay, it's on there.